In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Ads custom segments, explain what they are, and show you why they play such an important role in the success of your campaigns. Custom segments allow you to reach the right audience with greater precision, giving your ads a much better chance of performing well. When used correctly, they help you improve targeting, reduce wasted spending, and ensure your message reaches people who are most likely to take action. Let's get started. Begin by heading over to the Google Ads homepage. You can find it by searching for Google Ads or by typing ads.google.com directly into your browser. Once you arrive on the homepage, look for the sign in button in the upper right corner. Click it and log in using your Google account details. After signing in, you will land on your Google Ads dashboard, the main hub where you manage all your campaigns, budgets, and reports. Take a moment to familiarize yourself, as this is where you'll spend most of your time when working with ads. Next, look to the left side navigation panel and select Audiences keywords and content. This section controls who sees your ads and how those viewers are grouped. Once inside, click on Audiences. Here you will see any audience lists you've created in the past. To create a new custom segment, click on the button labeled Add Audience Segments. This takes you into the interface where all the customization happens. Inside the custom segment creation screen, you can define your audience based on detailed criteria. You can target by interest, purchase intentions, recently visited websites, or specific search behaviors. You can also build segments based on demographics such as age, gender, or household income. Think carefully about the type of customer you want your ads to reach and consider what online activities or behaviors would indicate strong buying intent. The more specific your segment is, the more relevant your ads will be. Take your time reviewing the settings to make sure your custom segment is accurate. When everything looks correct, click the Save button. Your new segment will now appear in your audience list, ready for you to use in future campaigns. Custom segments are valuable because they give you more control over who sees your ads. Instead of targeting broadly, you are directing your budget toward the people most likely to engage, click, or convert. This can significantly improve your return on investment and help you optimize your advertising strategy over time. And that's it. You now know how to create Google Ads custom segments and understand why they matter. Using them regularly will help your campaigns run smarter, reach better audiences, and deliver stronger results. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out more guides that will help you get the most out of your Google Ads experience.